Hi, this is Kevin with KG and Jam Owner ProAdvertisers Club with tonight's PAC report on August 26th, 21. And we are at a member count of 285, 269 free, 16 VIP. I've got an update on the Red Skull and some VeVe information. I did find the actual contract license for Disney or Marvel, actually, which is owned by Disney and VeVe. So I will fill that in for you if you're interested. Real quick, let's go over the site. It's free to join. You can come here and you can advertise for free. And on the top of the site every day or every page, you will have a drop down, called a red sticky bar that has some information you might want to check out. Do a daily bonus click for 100 credits that multiplies. It increases by 100 every day up to 3,000, and then it resets to 100. And if you miss a day, it goes back to 100. Here you will test your site so you don't waste your credits. Make sure it's working. If it's not working on here, it's not going to work on the site. PAC report takes you over to my YouTube channel. The grid click is the game where you can get your free solo. And right now you can get one slot for $12 or three for 30, and that's good for a whole year. And everybody who plays it wins a free solo. Then if you send the promo code to the support, you will get an entry into a Hercules Plus drawing. And I also send out a daily email with a whole bunch of free advertising credits and banners and texts. So if you're not getting it, check your spam folder and just stockpile up on it. These also go out on a couple of splash pages, so you're getting a lot of exposure with the grid click. Let's go back to the start here, and then you got the other really good advertising is to play the still the site game, and once you get on there, all you got to do is watch somebody's ad, and then put yours in here, then you replace it and works your way down till you fall off. So you're on there for maybe a good day, just depending on how busy it is. This is where you set up your daily bonus that everybody who clicks on that will see. Surf here to get credits. Go here to spend the credits. You can get cash too if you don't want to get use the credits. Redeem the 2 promo codes that I give you a day. One's through the grid click game. The other one's in the email. Go to the affiliate tools for promotional stuff like banners and Twitter feeds and stuff like that. And but the splash pages 3 and 4, the third and fourth splash page has the grid click on it. And those have been doing really well as far as getting recruits. I got 2 offers going right now, and one is for $69 for the VIP. There's only going to be 100 of these, and I've got 84 left. So once that fills up, that will be closed down, and you will not be able to get in unless somebody opts out or quits. I got a gift area here. You can buy the gift slots. If you're upgraded, you get free slots. But if you got something you can legally give away for free, that's the place to put it. It's on the login section of the site. Do your downline builder so you don't miss any signups. And if you want a site like this, click here and go to Phil Mar's site. You can get one already made. You can get a custom made one, or you can buy the script and make it yourself. And then down here's another code that only about half the people sign up use. It's welcome, and you get free advertisements. So that's it. Come sign for free, check it out, and thank you. So now let's get over to the Marvel. The reason this is a big deal to me is I call it the Netflix situation. You hear a lot of people talking about it on YouTube and online, but once everybody realized the kind of money to be made in streaming, they started pulling their licenses off of Netflix. And Netflix is going to be okay because they've got their own content now. It's definitely hurt them, losing stuff like Disney and NBC and stuff like that. But um, anyway, this is the United States Patent and Trademark. So that's what I'm worried about with VeVe is how long is Marvel going to stay with them? Okay, are they just going to use them for a few years and then start their own platform? Are they actually behind us, or going to buy it, or who knows? But here's what I know for sure: the first filing deadline is 5 years after July 28th, I believe it is. Uh, Between the fifth and 6 years, so that's good till 2025. All right, if they just at this point they can pull out. Okay, so that's 2025. But if they decide not to, it goes for 10 years total, and then after that they got to file for 10-year periods. So 5 years gives them a good enough time to figure out if VeVe's the place to be or go somewhere else type thing. So I guess that's pretty good. 5 years. I was thinking more like a 1 or 2 year uh, license, and that wouldn't really be any good at all. So that's it on the VeVe and Marvel license. Now the Red Skull. I bought this guy about last week sometime, and I've been showing you what kind of a price range it's going. And here we go, Red Skull price. Okay, so I bought it back in the 19th and paid $127.99. One gem equals $1. You use gems in this VeVe site, and then it went up pretty steady, and went back, a little bit, and then it went all the way to 145 when they announced the drop for the new comic books, and it's about 150 right now. What I'm finding out on VeVe is a lot of people are. You got three groups. It seems like you got a flip group who just gets it and flips it and is trying for the big super secrets, so they need the cash to, buy the next drop. Then you got the investors, which will sell after 20, 30, 40%, whatever it is that their number is. And then you got people like me or holders who's going to hold, I'm planning on keeping this for 5, 10 years. So those are the three groups. And so this number is going to fluctuate, but so 128 to 150 right now, not bad. And there's only three people selling it at that price in the 50s. And then it jumps into the 160s. And there's probably, I think there's 3,000 of them, maybe more, but only about 250 people are wanting to sell, which is a good sign. That means there's a lot of holders and stuff. So I'll give you another update tomorrow. That's it. Thank you for supporting Pro Advertisers Club, and you all have a nice night.